Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Altima low beam bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You will need a few basic tools, specifically a flathead screwdriver and a new H11 low beam bulb. Safety is paramount, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. This process is quite straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. Let's begin by locating the headlight assembly. To access the bulb, you will first need to remove the plastic engine cover. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry up any retaining clips or fasteners. Once the cover is off, locate the low beam bulb housing, which is typically found behind the headlight assembly. It might be a bit tight, so take your time. Gently twist the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its socket. Be careful not to force anything. Now, with the old bulb unlocked, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from its back. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new H11 bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base and carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it seats correctly. You should feel it click into place or align properly. Once the new bulb is seated, twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in the socket. You should feel it lock into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring a snug fit. Test your new low beam bulb before replacing the engine cover to confirm it works correctly. Also, if you are looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals linked in the description below. It is a fantastic way to bring smart features into any room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.